Hey guys, welcome back to What a Day. Thanks for tuning in. Today's video is all about what I do with the Rocket 3 when I'm storing it, how I look after it, and what I've done also to the bike since I've owned it. So enough chit chat, and thanks for tuning in, and let's get stuck into it. Right, to start with, I've sprayed the whole top piece here. As you can see, they did a top job just to match the bottom here, like the bottom, because that was a pretty poor finish, I reckon, from trying it. Also, what I've done is I've also have the bike always on a smart charge, which is connected through to the battery. Very easy to do, guys. Definitely worth doing if you're going to not ride the bike all the time. Also, what I've done is I've got the GT rack on the back, and I've sprayed that the same colour as the bike as well. Pete from Coastal Collisions did a top job on that. Also, what I've done, I completely covered the bike and the tank in the front, the headlights, the front guards, all through here, the front forks, the screen, under here, all this radiator shroud guard all the way through right down, the side panels, all covered in XPEL. It's a 3D paint film protection. It's like a skin. It's easiest way of like a super thick glad wrap is the easiest way. You got to get someone that really knows how to put it on, because it's hard. I've had it put on once before and they did an absolutely shocking job. You might be able to just see the join line through here, but some blokes just cannot make this wrap properly, and it looks like shit. You got lines and cuts everywhere. They even did around the tank and everything as well. Also, I put heated grips on the TFC, which didn't come with it, and the sat nav and everything on it. Also, I've deliberately taken the fuel cap out, guys. I always store it with full fuel. You always got to store that, because if you have your bike sitting, I do that on all my bikes, and the Ducati's in the other shed. You get condensation forming in your tank if it's not full of petrol. Just another things that I've done, how I look after it. I use F11 and I put it into a spray bottle. I use like one rag to clean the rims and all that, and then another one microfiber cloth to go over the top of it after it's done. I usually use 3 rags. Yes, and cotton buds to get inside all the little Allen keys holes and all around the areas like this. I know you're going to think I'm crazy, but I do that on all my bikes, guys. Also, if I have to wash it, I'll use just a little bit of this, and I'll put that into a spray bottle and just spray it all over it, and then use, I forgot to get it out, this brush and this brush to get into little nooks and crannies. Like this here is fantastic for getting in. Hope the video is coming out alright, guys. In under places like this, and all into little nooks and crannies under there, all through here, into places like this, all up under there, in here, everywhere. I use that, and then also this little brush for getting into places like this here. It's pretty excessive, but I like to really look after my bikes. I do that on all of it. That's already been in the dirt. I'll do another video on that so many times, but it looks brand new. Also, the bikes had 4 oil changes. I did 2 within the first service area of the bike, just while I was running in on the running period, and it's done now just on 9,000 kilometres, and I've done 2 oil changes since then. I've gone through another set of tyres. This is not too bad, they're starting to get down, as you can see the little marks. Also, when I store it up on a rack. Here it's 680 kilo, guys. I got that off eBay. You can get them anywhere off eBay. They come with a locking device, so I have it up and then I just let it go down on the locking device. All the wheels are off the bike. But as I said, I even covered these headlights. It really stops stone chips, guys. It really helps minimise stone chips. This is before I had it on. I've got a little stone chip there which is spewing. But righto guys, there's the little celebrity Bambi that you see sometimes on the video. We're in the shed, so thanks heaps for watching, guys. It's only a short one, but I hope you got some info out of what I've done to the bike. Oh sorry, yeah, that is off the GT screen as well. I just did that to stop the stop a bit of wind, and it really does stop a bit of wind, guys. It's really good. And I've covered that as well in the XPEL paint protection. But I'll put all that sort of stuff in the link. Thanks heaps again for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, guys, maybe consider doing that, because there's going to be videos of that, this and the Ducati. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, ride safe, and see you on the next one. Cheers.